Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to polish epoxy and remove scratches from the surface. As you can see, there's a lot of scratches here on this, and this is just a throwaway piece that I wanted to just show how you can remove the scratches, since it took me forever to find out how to do it without messing up my product. So first thing you want to do is get 1000 grit and 2000 grit sandpaper. You can find this on Amazon, and I will put the link in the description. And you also want to have some of this Flitz anti-corrosion protection. It's basically like a polish for the epoxy, so it'll give it a nice little finish after you buffer out all of the scratches. So all you have to do is just scratch the surface, work out those scratches, and smooth it out all around. And I'll leave the back undone so you can see the difference. But you start with the 1000 paper and just rub it really good on the surface. And it's really quick and easy. It doesn't require any curing or drying or any of this. And it'll give you a nice matte finish. Now I'm still looking into what I can get for a gloss finish, but this gives a very nice matte finish. So after you scrape with the 1000 paper, switch to the 2. And 2, like the higher you go, I believe, the softer the sanding will be. Okay, and as you can see, it's smooth now. Okay, so now you just come in with a dollop, I like saying that word, dollop of this polish, and get you either a throwaway towel or, you know, whatever towel you have designated for this. And you just put it on the surface. Or where you scratched or buffered, or whatever you want to call it, sanded. And give it a nice finish. It's really quick and easy. Beautiful. No scratches. So this is the finished side. This is the unfinished side. So if you ever put your products inside of a mold, and you know, over time the mold will just naturally get, you know, blemishes and scratches and whatnot that become part of your product whenever you put something inside the mold. All you have to do is that. Get a nice finish. This side is finished, this side isn't. Beautiful.